Let's see how to connect to a MySQL database in Visual Studio Code and run SQL queries. If you find this guide helpful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thank you. Alright, the first step is to click on Extensions. Then, here we'll search for MySQL. Click here and install the extension. Next, click here on Database and click on Create Connection. Here we'll enter the name of the connection. Then click on MySQL. For the host, we'll need to enter the host name. To find it, right-click and select Edit Connection. And here we have the host name. In my case, it's localhost. We copy it and paste it into VS Code. Now we'll copy the port the same way, and also the username, and finally the password. Click Save. And that's it. We're now connected. To run SQL queries, just click here. And done. Thanks for watching.